I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys. And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a haze of blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking. Hi, I'm Phil, and I'm going to show you how to smoke some salmon. What we need is some brown sugar, some sea salt flakes, some of your favourite spice mix, and don't forget your salmon. To prep the salmon, pat dry the skin side and salt. The reason for salting the skin side is everybody likes a nice crispy skin on their salmon. Next thing, get your brown sugar and spice mix that together and then rub that onto your salmon flesh side, and the flesh will take the flavour in. With the lid closed, sear the salmon skin side down for 5 minutes. Time to grab your planks and place the salmon flesh side down. The water in the planks will stop them from igniting. Put it all back in the barbecue to smoke, probably for around 10 minutes, depending on how you like your fillet. Once it's cooked to your taste, serve it up and enjoy. It's as easy as that, the salmon is done.